Hey y'all, today we are on Windows 11 and we're taking a look at how to speed up your PC. Let's get into it. So to start off, we're going to go ahead and download CCleaner. CCleaner is an excellent tool that will give us some tools to speed up our PC. Once it's installed, we can go ahead and start CCleaner. I would skip the AVG and we're just going to use the free version. Let's run the first scan. So it did give us a few things. We can clean out all of our browsing history. Let's go ahead and do that. On to the next thing. It's going to check a few different temporary files. Let's go ahead and clean those as well. And it looks like we have some outdated drivers and some background applications. We can skip that for now. So once you're into CCleaner, you can come down to tools, and it gives us quite a few different tools that we can use. Some of them we do need to upgrade for, but some are free. There is the quick uninstall applications. We have our registry cleaner, startup programs. This can help you minimize different programs that start up and just sit in the background. Browser plugins, disk analyzer. This can take a look at different areas on your computer and compress files. There is also a driver updater in here. This is a paid feature, but it can definitely help clean up your computer and make it run a bit smoother. Let me know if this video helped. Leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.